your sandstone floor dull, grimy and impossible to clean? Are you worried about finding a right company that you can trust to make your floors beautiful again? No problem! Contact Abbey Floor Care. We have the experience, equipment and passion to restore any stone floor. The wonderful thing about natural stone is that it doesn't have to be replaced. Its original beauty and lustre can be restored through professional restoration. By hiring Abbey, you can have your stone floors restored to a beautiful, easy to clean masterpiece in stone.